Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kadir, a seasoned news reporter bringing you the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence and medicine. In a groundbreaking study published in the esteemed journal JAMA Internal Medicine, researchers have found that AI assistants have a better bedside manner than some doctors. The study utilized data from Reddit's Ask Docs forum where members can post medical questions answered by verified healthcare professionals. The researchers randomly sampled 195 exchanges from Ask Docs where a verified doctor responded to a public question. They then posed the original questions to the AI language model, ChatGPT, and asked it to respond. What the researchers found is nothing short of remarkable. Overall, the panel preferred ChatGPT's responses to those given by a human 79% of the time. ChatGPT responses were also rated good or very good quality 79% of the time, compared with 22% of doctors' responses, and 45% of the ChatGPT answers were rated empathic or very empathic compared with just 5% of doctors' replies. These findings have raised the possibility of AI assistants playing a significant role in medicine in the future. However, some experts have cautioned against delegating clinical responsibility to AI assistants given that the chatbot has a tendency to produce facts that are untrue. Prof. Anthony Cohn of the University of Leeds said that while using language models as a tool to draft responses was a reasonable use case for early adoption, even in a supporting role, they should be used carefully. The study's lead author, Dr. John Ayers of the University of California, San Diego, believes that the opportunities for improving healthcare with AI are massive. While the findings do not mean ChatGPT is actually a better doctor, the results suggest that tools like ChatGPT can efficiently draft high-quality, personalized medical advice for review by clinicians. Dr. Christopher Longhurst of UC San Diego Health said that these results suggest that tools like ChatGPT can efficiently draft high-quality, personalized medical advice for review by clinicians, and they are beginning that process at UCSD Health. It's worth noting that given ChatGPT was specifically optimized to be likable, it was not surprising that it wrote text that came across as empathic. It also tended to give longer, chattier answers than human doctors, which could have played a role in its higher ratings. In conclusion, while the findings of the study are fascinating and hold enormous potential for the future of medicine, it's important to exercise caution and not rely solely on language models for factual information. We'll continue to keep you updated on any further developments in this exciting field. This has been Kadir, reporting for World Around Us. Until next time.